I'm Bert Hill. I work at Watersound Beach Club. I'm the facilities maintenance manager here. I get here at 6:30 in the morning, leave at about 4, depending on how busy it is and how much I'm needed. Day to day is anything from pressure washing the pool deck to cleaning the pools, helping with beach towels, beach service, helping guests with anything they need on the pool deck and pool areas. First impression's everything. When you walk in, if there's trash around or trash cans are full, then that's going to affect their idea of what we've got going here. But we always keep it maintained really clean and neat. I walk around and make sure that every day. Most everything we try to get done before the guests start arriving at 9. So mostly after that starts, it's just a matter of keeping up with anything that goes wrong, it breaks down, and then I just make sure everything is set for the next day before I leave.